Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the app, you will see the home page probably. Now find the profile icon and tap on it, and here you should see your AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll down and find the option called, or rather button called Unpair. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap on Unpair, and tap on Unpair again, and wait. The watch will disappear from the app, it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings, and basically that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.